Hello, everybody. Wait, you went right past me like you didn't want to listen to me. I'm coming to you from the winter storm, the winter blizzard of 2010 that will go down in history. We're we're braving the storm. We're gonna go back upstairs and have our vanilla coffee.
There's my Ford Focus.
Show them the snow up against this car right here. I'll stand here so they can see how high the snow is. Folks, this is the height of the snow. If I were to stand right next to it, it would be up to my armpit.
Just walk down the street.
Jeez. This is how high the snow would have been if it wasn't shoveled. This is how high.
Wow.